Welcome to this quick video introducing you to Swimtopia. I'm going to show you the basics of the website and walk you through the process to register both your swimmers and yourselves for time trials. So on this front page, this is your login page. I think it is probably familiar to everyone. You're going to use the same email address and password that you created when you registered. We'll click on sign in. And it opens up to a treasure trove of information. On the front page of this website, you'll see lots of announcements. You should probably check back here on a regular basis just to make sure you're not missing anything. Maybe make it part of your morning coffee routine. At the top is Kim Kennedy's Lakers newsletter that was mailed out yesterday, and you can see some other announcements there as well. Along the top of the website, you'll see some different tabs. Some of these tabs still need to be updated and will be soon. We can find our coaches' bios. If you'd like to meet your coaches before Tuesday, you can definitely check them out. It's a lovely set of coaches. We can also open up our team handbook and get the address for the pool, which I'm sure you guys are all familiar with. There's also a Little Lakers tab over here on the far right. It's got some great information. It also has not quite been updated yet, but a lot of those FAQs on that page are definitely relevant to this year as well. The part of the website that I want to focus on, though, is this Meets and Events tab. Lots of great stuff going on here. If we click on Sign Up Calendar, you'll notice that our calendar has been populated with time trials and all of our B meets and A meets to date. You can subscribe to this calendar if you would like this calendar to be imported into your phone. I'm not going to go into detail, but if you're somewhat tech savvy, if you click on the subscribe button right here, it will allow you to sync this calendar with your phone and save yourself a little bit of typing. So the first event that I'm interested in is time trials, and this is the piece that each and every family will need to work through if your kid is a big Laker. And so you'll notice on the right, we've got two green buttons that say Meet Entry and Job Sign Up are both open. And if I click on Meet Entry, it takes me to a page, Please Help. Notice that big yellow box. We still have 14 shifts, and that's actually way more volunteers than that, but it's 14 different jobs that have to be filled. And I have my two swimmers listed here. Obviously, you'll have your swimmers listed when you click on this page. I'm going to go to Edit down below my two swimmers' names, and I'll click on that, and I am going to tell the coaches that both Michaela and, well, I click on Michaela. I say she's available for this meet, and since she is an older swimmer, I know for a fact that she's legal in all 4 strokes, and I'm going to select those 4. And Mackenzie is also available for this meet, and I'll go ahead and select all 4 of those as well. And it says she's never swum the 50 fly before. Has the coach approved the swimmer's entry? Well, since she works out with Coach Becky during the year, I'm pretty sure Becky knows that she is legal in butterfly. So I'm going to click Yes, Proceed, and we're going to save. And it takes you back to this screen, except for now, instead of saying undeclared, it now has my 2 swimmers signed up for all 4 events. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for my job as well. And on this page, both parents are listed. And I can sign myself up for a job. I'm not going to do that quite at this moment because I'm unsure what my role will be that day. But I could click on Clerk of Course, first half. So pick the job that you feel you're most suited for. And then once you do that, you'll go ahead and click on Save Assignments. And we'll go ahead and do that for the second parent as well. So I know that Julie loves the snack bar, so I'm going to go ahead and sign her up for the first half of the snack bar at time trials. And that is how we sign up for a meet. If you need anything from me, as far as Swimtopia goes, you can contact me in one of 2 ways. My email address is out there. It's in the handbook. You can also use the Contact Us link at the bottom of this page. If you pick the correct category, your email will be sent directly to that person that's in charge of that part of the team. So as I said, I'm always willing to help, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.